Let's go to the exercise 9.2. So first thing, so addition of the rational numbers. So how to add the rational numbers? So we already know that. So here denominators are same. So just add the numerator. So here denominators are same because 4 is there. Here also 4 is there. So 5 plus of minus 11. So what will get the answer? Plus into minus. Minus divided by 4. 5 minus 11. Here plus sign is there, here minus sign is there. So first add, subtract the numbers. 11 minus 5, 6. But here biggest number sign is minus. So minus 6 by 4. Otherwise you can cancel it. Otherwise keep it as it is. So 2 2s are 2 3s are. What will be the answer? Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So second one. Here 10 is there, here 15 is there. So take the LCM of 10 and 15. So what will get the answer? 10 and 15. Take the LCM. Common factor is 5. 5 2s are 5 3s are. So next, there is no common factor means take the remaining numbers. 2 1s are 3 as is. Next 3 1s are. So LCM is multiplication of these three factors. So LCM is 5 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. So LCM is 30. So here take it directly 30. So here 10 is there. What we have to multiply? 3. 10 3s are 30. Here 15 is there. So multiply 2. 15 2s are 30. So 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. But here minus sign is there. Keep it as it is. 22 2s are 44. So now here plus and minus sign. If the signs are different, you have to subtract the numbers. So subtracting 44 minus 27, 17, and biggest number sign is plus sign. So plus 30 divided by 30. So is this in the standard form? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because there are no common factors other than 1. That means this is in the standard form. So next, third one. Minus 2 by 3 plus 0. Which property is this? Tell me. Additive identity property. If you add any number, but here rational number is there. So if you add any rational number or number to 0, the resulting will be the same rational number or same number. So answer will be minus 2 by 3 only. If you add 0 to any number or any rational number, the resulting will be the same rational numbers or number. So next, here they given in a mixed fraction. So first convert them into improper fraction. So must multiply the whole number to denominator. Here minus sign is there. So concentrate properly. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1. So 3 into 2. So here minus sign is there. Plus 1. Plus 1. So this is minus for whole number. Okay, so this is minus for whole number. So divided by 3 as is plus 4 into 5 plus 3 divided by 5 as is. Okay, so now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 minus 7 by 3 plus 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 23 by 5. So here denominators are different. There are no common factors other than 1. So just cross multiply. You will get the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5. So multiply that two numbers. You will get the LCM. 3 5s are 15. So here multiply 5. So here multiply 3. 7 5s are how much? 35. So minus is there. Keep it as it is. 23 3s are plus 69 divided by multiplication of that two numbers. So here plus and minus is there. If the numbers are having different sign, subtract the numbers. So here biggest number sign is plus. So give the biggest number sign. 69 minus 35 how much? 34 divided by 15. So this is in the standard form. So final answer is 34 by 15. So second main subtraction. So how to subtract? First make the denominator same. How to make it? Just take the LCM of these two numbers. So 24 and 36. So take the LCM. So these two numbers are in which table? You can take directly 12. Otherwise take it as 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 18s 18s are. So 2 18s are. Next again 2 6s are, 2 9s are. Next 6 and 9. 3 table. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. There are no common factors. So multiply remaining numbers. Otherwise take it directly. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So what will get the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. 72. So here LCM is 72. So LCM is 72. So what we have to multiply? Here 24 is there. 24 3s are 72. 36 2s are 72. What will get the answer? 7 3s are 21 minus 7. 17 2s are 34. 17 2s are 34. So what is the final answer? 21 minus 34. Here numbers are having different signs. Subtract. 34 minus 21, 13. And the bigger number sign is minus. So answer will be minus. Minus 13 by 72. So final answer is minus 13 by 72. So second one. Here 63 is there. Here 21 is there. 21 3s are 63. So what will be the LCM of rational these two numbers? 63 and 21. So if you don't know 21 table, write for 3. So 3 table, 3 2s are, 3 1s are. 21 3s are 63. 3 7s are. So again common factor is there. Yes, that is 7. 7 3s are, 7 1s are. Next 3 is there, so take it 3. 3 ones are 1 as it is. So LCM is, so multiplication of these three factors, 3 into 7 into 3. So what will be the answer? 3 7s are 21, 21 3s are 63. So here already 63 is there. Okay, so keep it as this 63 and minus into minus plus. So plus here 21 is there. 21 3s are 63. Is that it? So next 6 3s are how much? 18 divided by 63 only. So denominators are same. So just add the numerators. 5 plus 18. What will get the answer? 23 by 63. So this is the final answer. Next third one. So there are 5 questions are there. I have taken only 3 questions. Remaining 2 questions are homework. So these are in the next fraction. Convert it into improper fraction. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1 19 minus 19 by 9 and minus 6 is there. So if there is no denominator means 1 will always there. Okay. So what will be the LCM of 1 and 9? Obviously 9 because 1 9s are 9 only. So keep it as it is 9. So multiply here 9. Why? Because LCM is LCM of 1 and 9 is 9. LCM of 1 and 9 is 9. So now, so multiply 6 as it is here because sorry not 6, this is 9. LCM is 9. So minus 19. 6 9s are minus 54. Here the numbers have same sign, that is minus sign. So add the numbers. If the numbers are having same sign, first add the numbers. 54 plus 19, how much? 73. And keep the sign as this. Keep the sign as this. Minus 73 by 9. So this is the answer. So third main product. So you know that how to multiply the rational number. Just multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So multiply 9 into minus 7, 2 into 4. What will get the answer? 9 7s are 63 plus into minus, minus 2 4s are 8. Answer is minus 63 by 8. Total 6 questions are there. I have taken only 4 questions. So next, here there is no denominator means denominator will be 1, isn't it? So 3 by 10 into minus 9 by 1 will be there. So multiply numerator to numerator. 3 9s are 27. 7 plus into minus minus divided by 10 into 1 10. If there is no another case, directly you can multiply numerator. Keep it the denominator as it is. We get the answer, that is 10. So next third one. Here multiply numerator to numerator. 3 into minus 2, 7 into 5. What will get the answer? 3 2s are 6. That is minus. Plus into minus. Minus. 7 5s are 35. Very easy. So next here multiply. Otherwise you can directly cancel here only. Otherwise multiply. 3 5s are 15. Plus into minus. Minus. So minus 15. Here also again 15. 5 is 15. Minus into plus minus. So minus 15 minus 15. So cancel it. Minus divided by minus plus. So what will be the answer? Answer is 1. Last question of the exercise 9.2. So first minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. So how to remove the division sign? You should take the reciprocal of the second rational number. Forget the first rational number. So minus 4 into reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So now multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 4 3s are 12. So here minus n, minus into plus minus divided by 2. Here cancellation is possible because both the numbers are even numbers. 2 1s are 2 6s are. So what will be the final answer? Minus 6 is the final answer. So next here minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3 is there. If there is no denominator means denominator is 1. So minus 4 by 5 as it is divided by minus 3 by 1. There is no denominator means 1 is there. So now remove the division sign. Minus 4 by 5 into 1 by 3. So minus sign is there. Here minus sign is there. Minus 1 by 3. So now multiply 4 into 1 4. Minus into minus, minus into minus plus. 5 3s are 15. So plus, do not write to plus sign. So plus sign will be there. So 4 by 15. So next, remove the division sign. Minus 7 by 12 into minus 13 by 2. So now multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 7 13s are how much? 91 minus into minus plus. So plus sign is there. 12 2s are 24. Answer is 91 by 24. So next again 3 by 13 into reciprocal of the second rational number is minus 65 by 4. So here cancellation possible. 13 ones are 13 5s are, isn't it? So cancel it. 13 ones are 13 5s are. So what are the remaining numbers? 3 by 1 into minus 5 by 4. So now multiply 3 into 5 15 plus into minus minus divided by 1 into 4 4. So answer is minus 15 by 4. So total 4 questions are there. I have taken only 7 questions. I have taken only 4 questions. Next 3 problems are homework problems. Try it yourself. I hope this finishes the exercise 9.2. Next class I will take components of triangles chapter. Thank you.